Hello, everybody. It's August 4th, 2026, Tuesday. Uh, Today is Truth Tuesday. That's what I've came up with. And I would like to welcome everybody. Every Tuesday, I want to spend a few minutes talking about something that's real. No hype and no selling you a dream. Just some honest conversations about life. And today I kind of come up with the hard truth about human nature. And the one thing I've learned over the years is that people aren't always who they appear to be. That's not meant to make you distrust everybody. It's just meant to encourage, you to pay more attention to the actions instead of their words. You know what I'm saying? People often tell you that exactly what you want to hear, but you really want to know someone's character also. Don't just listen to what they say and what they consistently do. Human nature, it's really an interesting concept because most people, they want to be appreciated and they want to feel important and they want to feel respected. And honestly, there's nothing wrong with that at all. I mean, we all want to feel like that. But here's where we sometimes get into trouble with that. Many times we spend a lot of time trying to impress others, and they forget the person they're pretending to be. And it's easy to look successful online, but it's much harder to build success in life when no one's watching. That's sort of where I've been in life. Another truth is that people usually make decisions based on emotions before anything else, and instead of logic, trying to use their mind. And we've all done it. I do it. I've done it. But something we probably didn't need, we need to stay in relationships longer than we should. And we avoid making difficult decisions because it feels uncomfortable with those relationships. Like if you have to leave or something, but you feel uncomfortable. If something's not working out with your relationship, and you avoid making those decisions. And understanding that about yourself is just as important as it is to understand other people. Another lesson that life's kind of taught me, that rude people, it might be somebody at the grocery store, it might be a co-worker, it might be your neighbor, the one who never smiles or anything like that. You don't know what they're carrying today. And that doesn't excuse bad behavior, but it reminds us that, kindness is usually the better choice. And I try to not snap at people, and I try to always treat everyone the way I want to be treated. But, sometimes, some days we have a bad day, things happen. It's just the way it is. Another thing is that life doesn't owe us anything. No success or nothing. It doesn't matter how talented you are or how smart you are or anything of that nature. The people that usually move forward are the ones that keep showing up especially when they don't feel like it. You know, consistency beats excuses. And, you know, finally, here's the biggest truth I've learned. Is the only person you could change is yourself. You can't force people to think different. You can't make somebody like you, appreciate you. You can't make somebody love you, but, you know, you can be more patient and you can be more disciplined, and, you know, you can be more honest. So you can be the kind of person that you're proud to see in the mirror every day. And if you focus on improving yourself, or something interesting happens, I mean, the right opportunity just happen to particularly find you, or the right people to surround you, then life starts to change, you know. Not overnight, but like anything else, one little piece at a time, one little decision at a time. Because sometimes the truth that we need to hear the most is the one that we've been trying not to face. You know what I'm saying? So that's about all I have for today. And if you enjoyed today's Truth Tuesday episode, I'd appreciate it if you like the video and maybe subscribe. Perhaps share a comment in the comments, of course. And I'll be back tomorrow. I'm not sure what tomorrow's called yet. I haven't thought it up yet, but it's going to be something for Wednesday. So until next time, take care of yourself. Be kind to others. Have a blessed day. And I'll see you next time.